Reate knives signature. There's only made 100 of them, and none of them are similar. So this is a ZIRCUTI insert right here handle, and a titanium handle on the sides. As a lock, it's a gravity knife. I love it. And what's so special about this one? Look at that patterns, and none of them are the same patterns. That's beautiful. Okay, there's one more. Kind of like the dagger shape way better. This one is like wavy this way, just a little bit different. Wow, I know how to choose, and this one is a dagger style, this one is tanto, and both of them are just insanely beautiful, and only 100 of them made. What do you guys think? That's definitely a nice collection pieces right here. Like America handle is more of like everyday use. This one would be a collector items. They go up to $450, and they go up in value, that's for sure. And serial number is right here and everything. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color to it right here.